Hello. As 2020 draws to a close, it's time to look not only at the challenges ahead, but also to everything that we have accomplished together through Creative Europe so far. We can proudly say that the programme has been very successful in bringing together the European audiovisual industry across borders to strengthen cultural diversity and to strengthen our competitiveness. And the Slovenian audiovisual sector has been part of this story. It has been very active in participating in media. And let me name just a few examples. The Slovenian Animated Film Association has led the Central and Eastern European animation platform, which has strengthened the capacity of the sector. Another success story is Animateca, which is leading one of the first festival networks supported by Creative Europe. This will take forward a powerful vision of better circulation of animated films and innovative audience development. Also, thanks to agile Slovenian distribution, Slovenian film lovers were able to enjoy a wide range of European films. Over the last 7 years, more than 240 European titles were screened in cinemas throughout the country. These are just some examples, and we are confident that Slovenia's enthusiastic participation and collaboration will continue and even increase. Creative Europe is about to start a new period. We will build upon its experience, but will also bring some innovations to adapt to the new challenging times. The success of Creative Europe has been rewarded with an increased budget, and we will have a clear focus. Firstly, ensuring the development and creation of high-quality audiovisual content. Secondly, helping audiovisual works travel across Europe beyond national borders. And thirdly, widening audiences, including younger audiences. Our method will be to encourage cooperation across the industry and across borders to scale up to the European level. At the same time, film needs to respond to major political and social challenges. Therefore, media will be making proposals for the greening of the industry and for ensuring diversity and gender balance. The industry is facing an unprecedented challenge because of the COVID crisis. But Creative Europe will make its full contribution to help the industry recover and to be competitive in the longer term. A comprehensive media and audiovisual action plan will be adopted soon. Finally, I would like to stress the importance of creating links across the industry. And one of the crucial ingredients to making this happen is the network of Creative Europe desks. Their work has been fundamental in the past years, and it will be even more important in the future. So to conclude, I would like to congratulate everyone for their hard work, for their talent and enthusiasm, and I would like to wish the Slovenian audiovisual industry another 7 successful years of European collaboration. Thank you.